Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can recover deleted messages in Telegram. Put your likes, write your comments, subscribe to our channel. And let's get started. So, first of all, we're going to open the Telegram app. And if you had a situation where you've deleted a conversation with a person, then, unfortunately, you only have two ways to possibly recover it, both of which I'm going to show you in this video. And the first one is if you delete your conversation with the person, the correspondence. Then you only have 5 seconds after deleting the message to instantly restore that correspondence. So, how do you do it? You delete the correspondence, and you have 5 seconds. And you have to be able to hit cancel so that this correspondence is not deleted. So, I'll show you again how to do it. If you delete a message, you have a countdown. You click cancel, and as you can see, it's still there. But if you've already deleted the correspondence and you haven't clicked cancel, or you did it, let's say, a day ago or 2 days ago, and now you realize that you want to return the correspondence, then, unfortunately, the only way to do it is to contact Telegram support. To do this, you need to go to your browser, and then you need to Google Telegram support. And follow this link to the page. Here you will see that you can describe the problem that you have. You can write approximately like this: I deleted the correspondence. It is desirable to write when it happened and that you want to restore it. Also, you will need to keep your email and your phone number, which is tied to Telegram. And after that, you will be able to send your request to restore messages. Only in this way you will be able to restore your postscript. Only the support service can help in this matter. This is the way you will be able to recover deleted messages in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.